Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to insert audio in the middle of a track in Audacity. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Audacity application on your PC and load the project you want to work with. Once you're inside Audacity, you'll need to prepare the exact spot where you want your new audio to be inserted. Start by clicking on the selection tool at the top of the interface. This tool allows you to place your cursor precisely on the timeline. Click on the exact point in your track where you want to insert the new audio. This is important because it determines where your track will be split. Now head to the upper left corner and click on Edit. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover your mouse over Audio Clip and then select Split. This action will divide your track into two separate segments at the point where you placed your cursor, creating the necessary space for your new audio to fit in between. Next, you'll want to create some room between these two segments. Move your mouse over one of the clips, specifically targeting the blue line at the top of the waveform. When you do this, you'll notice your cursor changes into a hand grab icon. Click and drag the clip either left or right to create the gap you need. Release the mouse button when you've positioned it where you want it. This gap is where your new audio will be inserted. Now it's time to import the audio file you want to insert. In the upper left corner, click on File, then hover your mouse over Import and select Audio from the submenu. A file browser window will open, allowing you to navigate to the audio file you want to use. Select your desired audio file and click Open. Your new audio file will appear as a separate track below your original track in the Audacity workspace. With your new audio imported, click on the selection tool at the top again. Now click and drag your mouse across the waveform to highlight the entire portion of the new audio that you want to insert into the middle of your first track. Make sure you've selected exactly what you need before moving forward. Once you've highlighted the audio, click Edit in the upper left corner, then select Cut. This removes the highlighted audio from the new track and places it on your clipboard temporarily. Now click directly in the middle section of your first track, right where you created that gap earlier. Then click Edit in the upper left again, and this time select Paste. Your new audio will be inserted right into that space you created. If you want one combined audio track instead of having multiple separate clips, here's an optional step you can follow. In the upper left, click Select, then click All to highlight everything in your project. Next, in the top toolbar, click Tracks, hover your mouse over Mix, and then select Mix and Render. This will combine all your audio segments into one single unified track. And that's it. You've successfully inserted audio in the middle of your track in Audacity, and optionally combined everything into one seamless recording. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.